Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem with brake pad wearing sensor. Now I'm gonna show you what's the problem. Okay, start the vehicle. The brake pads wearing lamp is gone. When I turn the steering wheel, you see the lamp is here. Now this is the brake pad sensor. The brake pads are new, but the sensor is gone. This is the sensor socket. We isolate here the sensor. Now I'm going to show you how we do it. Now you see what we done here. Yes. Now we put the thermo isolation here. Yeah. Come on. I can do this with one hand. Yeah. Here. And now we need a flame. Okay. I think it's done. Now put it back there. See? And the problem is solved. Turn the ignition on and waiting to erase the brake pad lamp. Okay, the lamp is gone. Now we start the vehicle. And turn the steering wheel. Okay.